Hi, all. Let's talk about Ken.
To the person that wrote the lengthy email Ken is complaining about, feel free to forward it to me if okay for you. Just curious to see what you wrote that he's so obsessed now with you. Thank you. Why the so-called Black Series gamer paint is a failure and waste of money. No HDR performance only works with outdated projectors that are high in lumen and low in resolution. Old projectors are lacking on time lags. Who in the right mind likes to play on a 720p projector with a time lag of 80 milliseconds or higher? Those old projectors don't even support HDCP 2.2 or 2.3 that is used on today's standards devices. It's like you bought a Ferrari and used it on the wrong terrain, and because of that you can only use 30% of your car's performance. You will never achieve the performance that your gaming console or PC is capable of doing when you downgrade. From the email I received from Michael, it shows Ken even doesn't have a clue about gaming and technology. Ken received an email from a person named Michael Jishek, asking about the performance and other information related to the gamer paint. I included the emails that have been forwarded to me. Ken did afterwards a live stream about his gamer paint. The video was titled, "What You Need to Know About the Cinemax Professional Gamer." With his reaction and missing reply, Ken just proves he doesn't have any clue for someone that calls himself a professional in this field. The email reply was just a 0815 text, nothing more nothing less. No person in the right mind should support Ken or even believe what he says.
Do not send over your PC specifications because it doesn't make a difference. You could be running off a 270 socket or whatever. Doesn't make a difference. Doesn't make a difference if you're running Atari, RetroPie, whatever. That technology is designed to enhance your products, to make your colors pop higher, to give you better, deeper contrast levels. You can be in fully lit environments. You can be in a dark environment. It doesn't make a difference. It doesn't make a difference if you have 720p. It doesn't make a difference. That's the whole purpose of the technology we develop. The customer doesn't have to spend a lot of money. So, when is this going to be available? Well, no time soon, because again, all of our products require testing. We don't do screen paints where we announce them and then they launch a couple of days later without testing attached to them. This is where you come into problems because you can't troubleshoot something that you don't even know anything about yourself. So we don't do products that way. If you look at all our products, every single one of them have tests. Those tests are done before the product is launched. We have batch numbers under all products. Batch numbers are going to be digitally scanned into containers, because I had to talk about these batch numbers. They're asking us questions. After we get done with the opening of their franchise, they're going to concentrate on what we're going to be doing as a partnership together.
we ever hear from you?